Do you floss every day like you're supposed to? No, really, do you? What? You floss every day, but your gums still bleed when you see your dentist for a cleaning? Let's go over the proper way to floss. Hey dental fans, Dr. Rich here, teaching you about dentistry and teeth so that you can have a very nice smile. Hit the subscribe button so you can learn more about dentistry and teeth. Today I'm going to show you how to floss properly. The whole reason for flossing is to clean the sides of your teeth that you can't reach with your toothbrush. So keep that in mind when you floss. Now to start, take a piece of floss about 1.5 feet long, that's 45 centimeters for the rest of the world, and pinch it between your thumbs and fingers. You can use either your thumb and middle finger, or what I like to do is use my thumb and index finger. Then spin your hands so that the floss wraps around your fingers. Now the floss is firmly wrapped around your fingers, and you can use your thumb and other finger to help guide the floss when you floss your teeth. And now the fun begins. As I said earlier, you're using the floss to clean the parts of your teeth that you can't reach with a toothbrush. So as you can see, the toothbrush can easily reach the sides of your teeth, but it can't reach in between your teeth. And now we floss. Using your thumbs and fingers, you guide the floss down in between your teeth. Once the floss gets past the tight spot, you pull the floss against a tooth and slide it up and down a few times. Be sure to try and wrap the floss around the tooth as much as you can. That way you are cleaning as much of the tooth as possible. The floss will go under your gum a little bit, but don't force it too far under the gums. Then you press it against the adjacent tooth and slide it up and down a few times. You are using the floss as a scraper to scrape the plaque and bacteria off the sides of your teeth. Don't move the floss from side to side like this. That motion doesn't clean the tooth. You need to move the floss up and down. Then you pull the floss up and out, or if your teeth are really tightly spaced, you can let go of one side of the floss and pull it out the side. Make sure you floss between every tooth. Be systematic about it. When I floss, since I'm right-handed, I start on my lower right all the way in the back and work my way over to the lower left. Then I move up to the upper left all the way in the back and work my way around to the upper right. I do it the same way every time I floss. That way I don't miss any teeth. Make sure you floss at the same time every day. I usually floss at night. I'll floss first, then brush my teeth. Be consistent and you'll get into the habit of flossing. And don't forget to floss your last tooth, even though there is no tooth behind it. As you saw earlier in this video, the toothbrush can't reach the backside of your last tooth. You need to clean it with floss. So how many times per week do you floss? Please leave me your answers in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and remember to brush and floss. See you next time.